scary. I will make you die. And I will kill you. I will frighten you by spreading the plague in this village. Hey, are you scared of this? Don't be scared. I'm Olivia from SMAN 2 Madiun. Today, I'm going to tell you an interesting story with a title, The Legend of Dongkrek Madiun. Here's the story. Long time ago, in 1867, under the leadership of Raden Ngabe Lu Prawiro Dipuro, in the village of Mejayan, Madiun, there was a pagabluk. In Japanese, pagabluk means plague. And this plague was described as Buta or giant. The giant Buta makes people scared because they made people who were sick in the morning will die in the evening. So even when they were sick in the evening, they will die in the next morning. People called this plague as Pagabluk Mayang Koro. To be able to survive this plague, the villagers have to hold ritual ceremony by performing dances and traditional music as a complement to the offerings. What kind of ritual ceremony and how it can be used to get rid of the plague? One day, the Buta chased Roro Tumpi, a very beautiful girl in the village. She fell down and tried hard to get away from Buta. Buta, I'm begging you, please, don't kill me. I want to stay alive. I don't want to die. Please, don't kill me. Meanwhile, the three other Butas are chasing Roro Parrot, the other village girl who loves to gossip so much that her lips depicted as blooded. She ran aimlessly until she arrived at Tumpi's place. Now, there are two women in front of four giants, and neither of them are ready to eat by the giants. When that terrifying moment happened, an old man appeared carrying his stick. He wanted to help the girls and fight to the Butas. Hey, Butas! Don't bother the girls! If you really have the power, let's fight! Do you know what happened then? At the first, four Butas underestimated the old man. But then, the old man turns out and able to make hurricane by his magic stick. Finally, the four Butas fled in the wind from the magic stick of grandfather. And at the end, the devils and the demons at Mejayan village also disappeared. Prawiro Dipuro was confused and said, knowing there are many people who died and scared because of the pagapluk. Then he decided to meditate on Kidul Mountain to find a way how to get rid of the pagapluk from Mejayan village. Finally came an idea to hold a ritual ceremony. The procession of ritual ceremony used to get rid of the pagapluk from Mejayan village and keep the village safe from the dangers. By Roro Tumpis Max, Roro Parrots Max, the Holy Grandfathers Max, and from the music that they play from Beduk and from Korek. So, this dance called as Dongkrek. You see, that's the music of the Dongkrek. So, Dongkrek was born in 1867 under the leadership of Raden Ngabe Lo Prawiro Dipuro in the village of Mejayan, Madiun. The Dongkrek Art represented performance by three group characters. The first group played by Butos, who brings the disease outbreaks in Mejayan village. The second group played by Roro Tumpi and Roro Parrot. And the third group played by the Holy Grandfather. The three groups of characters are wearing masks. From the characters of the story, we can learn that the Dongkrek ritual taught us there is no one happening in this world can separate us from God. Human needs to make an effort and prayers and surrender to the Almighty God so that human can get a peace and not to be dissolved in sadness. The Dongkrek Art also taught us about togetherness and harmony. So, that's the legend of my city. What is yours? Thank you for listening to me and see you in the next story.